this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple slides in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to delete several slides all at once, it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and identify the slides that you want to delete. For instance, I have here 21 slides, and I like to go ahead and delete the first 3 slides and then the last 2. To do that, it is simple. Just head over to the slides you want to delete. For my case, I'll select all the slides from number 1 to number 3 and then go down to the last one. To select all the slides to be deleted, press down Control key and then click on all the slides that you want to be deleted. And you can see I've just clicked on these 3 and they have all been highlighted. I'll also now go down and click on the last 2 like that. And now I have selected all the slides that I want to delete. Should you realize you still need to add one more, for instance, maybe you want to add the slide 8, you no longer need it, you can also go ahead and click on it while still pressing the Control key on your keyboard. Now you can see all the selected slides are here with the blue borderline, and for us to delete them, you can just go ahead and right click on one of them and then press on delete, and you can see we have deleted all of them. From now 21, I have 15 remaining here. Alternatively, instead of using that method, you can also go ahead while the slides are still highlighted and go ahead and click or press the backspace key, and that will delete all the slides that you had selected. So that's how you can delete multiple slides on Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.